Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 7th, 2021. We have here 9 extra puzzles. The first one star. Then we have a 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star. Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. 2 binaries, number 1 and number 2. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 9 extra puzzles. And I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. So 5 of them I will solve. And the first one I will solve is a 3 stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 3791. Oh, apologies. Bump the camera. My tripod is not okay. Let me hold this with my hand. 3791. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. And for 25 printed digits puzzle, a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. We will see. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 2, 3 twos, 3 threes, 4 fours, 4 fives, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 2 eights, 2 nines. So the 5 and the 7s. No, the 5 and the 5 and the 7s. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me see with the 5. Yeah. Let me start with the 5. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Let me see. And I cannot continue. With the 5. How about the 4s? 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 4. What a pity. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Interesting. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So the row between. The only place for the 7 should be there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. There 7, no 7 there. So the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, first column. 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, and look, we have a 2 and an 8 in this row. So no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. All right. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Maybe I can continue with the 5. Yeah, let me continue with the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Interesting. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers. In the first column, one of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Alright. Okay. Now I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number? Can I continue with the 4? With the 3 then. With the 3. No. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number is A3. We see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see another 3 in the middle row, so no 3 here. The only place for the 3 should be there. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in that box, so 1 box left for the 3. It should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Okay, how about the 5? Still, I cannot continue with the 5. I cannot continue with the 7. How about well, how about these 2 numbers in the first column? Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 numbers? The other pair in this big square. Those missing numbers here are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Well. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box should be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 9. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. And 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this row for the number, I believe, or 2 numbers left in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, we have 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. How about 2, 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8 in this column. 2, 7, 8. Look, we have a 2 and an 8 there in this row. So no 2 and an 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 and 8. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 7. Alright. Okay. How about let me see. 1, 2, 6. We have an 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So here cannot be an 8. Only box left for the 8 should be there. Okay. Okay. 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. Well, these 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other pair in the 3rd column are the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, 5 in this column, the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Look, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be an 8, and 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there. This box can be 9 no more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and then 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. My time limit 20 to 30 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. So is this one a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, because for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes, and I've solved this in 18 minutes, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye-bye for now.